Video shows how to start drop shipping business on Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. Using the drop shipping mode, you can sell products without having Vento, RI, and shipping. The platform will help us send products to customers directly. Firstly, you need to register on CJ and create a Shopify store. Then install CJD or OPPING app on your Shopify store. Connect your CJ account and Shopify store. Here are some videos that tell you how to add products on your Shopify store. I want to add some spice organizers on my online store. Select a product. Click List. Then you can select a warehouse, orders location, and shipping method. Then we need to add the product type and vendor. We can create collections here or Shopify store. Any product may have some variants, such as different sizes, colors, and so on. You can select all variants or some ones. Then, click Recommended Price. The sell prices will be set auto-manu, LLY. After removing the cost of goods, shipping and service fees, the extra amount is our profit. Then, click List It Now. Wait a few minutes. The product will be added on our Shopify store. Refresh. You can edit the default product information here, including product title, description, images, price, URL, and so on. Then create product collections. Such as spice rack. You also need to enter the collection description. Then select products to the collection. Create a spice jars collection again. Here I use automated mode. If a product title has jar, the product will be added to the collection automatically. We can see that the online store have a product now. Now, add more products using the same steps. After adding products, we need to modify the store, such as navigation menu. Put all product collections to menu. Check the menu. Then we need to make the store website be more beautiful. Enter online store themes, customize. We can change the image banner, or add other sections, such as video, images, and so on. Edit the layout to make the website look better. Then we need to set a domain, payment, shipping fee, and so on. Next, you can share your products and website on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, etc. to get sales, or advertise on Google search, Facebook, TikTok, or perform search engine optimization. Okay. The video is over.